Hey guys, today let's learn how to download Instagram private reels. So if you guys are wondering how to download private reels from Instagram, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to save this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we actually need to do first in order for us to start saving private reels is to go ahead and make sure that we are using the latest version of Instagram. So actually having the latest version of Instagram will of course allow us to have of course a smooth user experience without any normal bugs like we are currently facing. Now, what we actually need to be aware of firstly is that Instagram does not actually allow its users to download and save reels from private accounts, since of course Instagram does prioritize its privacy. So if it allows other users to save private reels from private accounts, of course that will be an issue with the privacy of Instagram. So in order for us to actually save it, of course we do need to go ahead and try to request to follow that account first and then proceed with viewing the reel, saving it, or recording it with our screen recording feature. And that is basically all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.